What if I told you that this 84-year-old woman is one of the best stock market traders in the entire world? Would you believe me? Well, if you said yes, then you are correct, because Nancy Pelosi, 84 years old, and her husband Paul Pelosi are some of the best stock market traders in the entire world and have been known to outperform some of the biggest hedge funds in the world. And what's crazy is Nancy Pelosi only gets paid about $179,000 per year from her job as a congresswoman, yet has grown her net worth to be estimated around $120 million. And almost all of this net worth has been accumulated from trading inside of the stock market. Now, whether you agree or not that politicians should be trading, that is neither here nor there. The important part is Nancy Pelosi and her husband made $38 million in stock market trades ahead of Trump's inauguration, including one very small AI biotech stock that they have currently made an investment in. All of this is causing a storm, and these are most definitely stocks that you are going to want to keep on your radar, and I'm going to be revealing all of her big moves in this video. Now, if you just take a look at how Nancy Pelosi performs in her portfolio against the entire stock market, the results are astonishing. As you can see in blue, here is Nancy Pelosi's portfolio growth. Now in orange, you can see the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. If you can't tell, she is vastly outperforming the overall market. Now, what if you actually copied her trades? Of course, you wouldn't be able to get in exactly when she's getting in. It takes time, and they're not even required to disclose for a little while. But what if you could follow her trades as soon as she discloses them? How would you do? Well, in this graph right here, we can see in blue is Nancy Pelosi's portfolio value. Now, in green is if you would be copy trading her portfolio, and in orange here is just investing in the S&P 500. So you wouldn't be tracking her perfectly, you wouldn't be getting the most amount of gains. But nevertheless, you can see just copy trading her portfolio, once again, you would be vastly outperforming the S&P 500. So leave me a comment down below. Should we all be copy trading Nancy Pelosi's portfolio and not even looking for our own investments? But guys, do you want help finding the best NYSE and NASDAQ stock alerts in the entire market? Well, if you do, then sit back, relax, and let me do the hard work for you, and just sign up to viralstocks.io free small cap newsletter. This is completely free and always will be, and I will text you almost every single day with the best stocks to watch in the market. There's over 20,000 stocks in the market that are constantly going up and down. It's hard to know where to find the best ones. On our free newsletter, we set out on a mission to text you with free NYSE and NASDAQ stock alerts to deliver the biggest movers and the best opportunities straight to your phone. Links in the description to sign up to viralstocks.io. Now, moving on here, let's get into some of the big moves that she has made. Options, exercises, and sales in addition to purchasing options. Pelosi exercised options in 2 companies and sold partial positions in 2 others. Specifically, she exercised 500 call options for NVIDIA, equivalent to 50,000 shares at a $12 strike price. These options were originally purchased in November 2023. She also exercised 140 call options for Palo Alto Networks, representing 14,000 shares at a $100 strike price. On the sales side, Pelosi sold 31,600 shares of Apple and 10,000 shares of NVIDIA, reducing her positions in both companies. And you can see from this screenshot right here a very clear view of the purchases, exercises, and sales that she made. As we can see, Apple, she made a massive sale. In NVIDIA, she also sold a lot as well. But she also exercised NVIDIA options that were deep inside of the money, and she exercised Palo Alto Networks as well. Now, importantly, it doesn't look like she's done with NVIDIA because she purchased $50 call options with an $80 strike price that are deep in the money for January 2026. We can also see she purchased Amazon, Google, VST VistaCorp, and importantly, this one right here, Tempus AI, ticker symbol TEM. Now, what is so important about this stock is you probably never heard of it. Unlike all of the other ones on this list, this is also a biotech stock, which as we know can make very big moves if on any news release that they must make or that they do make. And also, this is an AI stock. So an AI biotech stock that you never heard of, Nancy Pelosi is currently buying. Does she know something that we don't know on this stock? Well, that could highly be possible. But we can also see, this is very interesting as well, Donald Trump jump on AI. It's going to create a lot of benefits medically for cancer research and other things. It's going to have a huge positive impact. AI healthcare looks like the wave, and Nancy Pelosi is putting her money in ticker symbol TEM. So let's talk about Tempest AI and the possible opportunity that this represents. Tempest AI, ticker symbol TEM, is currently sitting at $49 per share. Now, it did make a relatively big move, recording their best day on record last Tuesday after the company launched an AI-powered health concierge. And also, of course, the stock got a boost from former House Speaker Nancy Pelosi, who revealed a stake in the company in a stock trading disclosure on Tuesday. All of that sent the stock soaring over 35%. But is there still an opportunity? Let's take a look. Tempest AI, ticker symbol TM, is an innovator in artificial intelligence-based healthcare solutions. They've been attracting investors' interest since their successful IPO in June 2024. The company's stock has demonstrated impressive growth over the past 6 months, fueled by investor enthusiasm for AI-driven advancements and the company's interesting financial performance. Now, in the past 6 months, the stock has rallied 22.8%. outperforming the 16.5% rise of the medical info systems industry and the benchmark 6.8% increase. In the meantime, the medical sector in general has declined at 9%, so they're vastly outbeating their sector. Now, they have a very strong 2024 outlook as they continue to expect 2024 revenues of approximately $700 million, implying approximately 32% year-over-year growth and negative $105 million in adjusted EBITDA, an improvement of approximately $50 million over 2023. They also have a compelling acquisition. Tempest is also optimistic about its plans to acquire Embry Genetics, a genetic testing player. Under the terms of the agreement, Tempest would pay $375 million in cash and $225 million in shares at closing, at which $100 million would be subject to a lockup agreement until 1 year post-transaction close. Embry expects to generate more than $300 million in revenue in calendar year 2024 and EBITDA of over $40 million. So the point is, they are no doubt making some big moves. And guess what? Nacy isn't the only one who's all in on this. So is Kathy Wood from ARK Invest. And this person says, that's all you need to know. The previous high is 79 to 49. Just getting to those all-time highs would be an extremely big price increase from where it's currently sitting right now. But hey, like I said, if you're struggling to find the best opportunities in the market and you want to take it one step further to just my free videos here on YouTube, come join my completely free newsletter on the best stocks in the market. Guys, click the link below, enter your name and your phone number, and I will text you the best opportunities multiple times per week.